Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel here. In today's video, let's go ahead and talk about how to solve the real video goes block issues on your Instagram application on your iPhone or your Android. Now, a lot of people are complaining that when they're just trying to watch the real videos, their video goes blocked on their iPhone or Android. Now, this problem can either happen for having poor internet connection or also can happen for minor bugs or glitches. Now, the first option or the first troubleshooting process that you guys need to follow is you need to switch your internet. Therefore, all you gotta do is just go ahead and swipe down from the top, and then if you're choosing Wi-Fi, then just go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your mobile network. Well, if you're on the mobile network, just go ahead and turn off your mobile network and turn on your Wi-Fi. If you see you're having problem on your Wi-Fi and mobile network at the same time, the next thing that you guys gotta do, just go ahead and just turn on your airplane mode and wait around 10 seconds. After that, turn it off. Once you make sure that your internet is working completely fine, but if still you have the problem on your real videos, then the next thing that you guys gotta do is to simply check for the update for Instagram application. Therefore, you either can open up the App Store or the Play Store on your Android in order to check for the update. Now go ahead and tap on search and simply type Instagram. Once you open up your Instagram application from there, if you found out the new update for Instagram application both on your Android and iPhone, go ahead and update that to solve your problem. Or if you don't see the new update available on your Instagram application, simply close out your App Store and Play Store and then just simply go ahead and open up your settings. Now scroll down to your general, now scroll down to your iPhone storage, and now you need to find out your Instagram application from there. Tap on Uploaded App, tap on Uploaded App, and simply go ahead and tap on Reinstall the application. If you are using an Android device, open up your settings, scroll down to your application, find out your Instagram application from there, and now tap on your storage. From there, just go ahead and tap on Clear Data and Clear Cache, and quickly after that, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. If you see still you have the same problem, the next thing you have to quickly take a look at is your storage. Well, if your storage is completely full and you don't have no space available both on your iPhone or Android, then we highly recommend you to just free up your storage in order to solve your problem on your Instagram. Even after just freeing up your storage, if that doesn't help you to solve your problem, the next thing you need to do is just go ahead and turn off the VPN. Now, to turn off the VPN, open up your settings here, scroll down to your general, scroll down here and tap on VPN and device management. From there, tap on VPN, simply go ahead and turn off the status from here and make sure your VPN is turned off on your iPhone or Android to solve your problem. Now, even after just turning off your VPN, if that doesn't help you to solve your problem, then the last but not least thing that you guys gotta do, you need to turn off the list cellular data options from your Instagram. Now, if you just go ahead and open up your Instagram applications, tap on profile and go ahead and tap on the hamburger icon, tap on settings, and from there, if you just go ahead and tap on our accounts, and from there you'll be able to see this option called data usage. Especially if you're using the cellular data, then you have to turn these features up. It says use less cellular data. Turning these features on your Instagram can cause this issue. Now quickly after doing that, hopefully your problem will be solved and you'll be able to just watch your real video without having any issues whatsoever, either on your iPhone or your Android. Alright guys, hope you find this video useful. If so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.